Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, so I'm going to be, after months of waiting for Toreba to ship it. I think I won this, back in like July or something, whenever it came out. The new Vibration Stars Itachi. So it's been sitting in the warehouse in Japan for a long time because they weren't shipping. I don't think Japan Post was shipping anywhere in the world, so they just started shipping, well, at least to Australia, which is good. So I finally got it, so I will do an unboxing and like a little review for it. It also comes with, I didn't win this one just because, I don't know, I've got the same figure but without the curse mark of Sasuke. There we go. So he's got the cursed mark on his face. So I didn't win that figure, but because I've got one that's exactly the same but without the cursed mark. But yeah, cool little box. We'll have a little spin around the box. It's the back and the side. So all around a cool looking figure. Oh man. Little open up. It always comes in a box like that, with all the little figures wrapped up in, like, it's like a remnant sort of set. That's how I like him too. It comes in these little plastic things that are heat sealed. So it only comes in 3 pieces this time. Some of the other ones come in a bit more pieces, and then it's only got the one head. But open the body first. You can already tell it's Itachi. So that's the body. Usually some of the other ones have a separate leg piece, but these are stuck in there. Or separate hand pieces, but yeah, this is obviously one solid piece. Really nice paint job, as always. It's always good quality. There's a little, like, I think there's been a little bit of sanding or something going on there. You can see here, a little bit of sanding or something. But yeah, all round nice figure. So that's what we got. He can stand. Speaking of stands, got a little stand as well. This is similar to the Sakura one, which is much better than what they were previously doing. They were doing like a little U-shaped thing that goes around the foot, and it was just a bit weird. But these stands are much better and much easier, I think. It's a bit more solid. And maybe I got it around the wrong way. I don't know. If they fit in, that is. Okay. This one. And then this one. So, alright, so I'll take this off again, just to give you a little heads up if you have one of these figures. So they've got 2 separate holes there. If it will focus. Who cares? So there's 2 separate holes. One's bigger and one's smaller. And then on here, the pegs, one's bigger and one's smaller as well. So that's the bigger one and that's the small one, just to have a little reference. So make sure the big ones are going in the big one and the little ones in the little one, which makes it really good because then you know where it's supposed to go. And it fits in pretty easily, like that. Seems really solid as well, so it's not going to come off anytime soon, which is good. And also the last piece is the head. So a bit of overspray on the peg. So a little look at the head. There we go. So it's obviously got the peg thing going on, and a bit of the chest will be visible. Really nice paint job as always. They've always done really good eye placement, so there's never any wonky eyes in any of the figures that I have. You know how sometimes you can get figures and one eye is like pointing that way. But they're always pretty good with their placement of the eyes, so they're never wonky or off center or anything like that. And they're always really clean looking as well. So it looks like it's one of those water transfer sticker things. But they must be pretty good at placing them. So yeah, it's got the peg at the bottom and it's got a big hole for I don't know what that goes into actually. The hole, there's a hole but there's no peg in the actual head, which is interesting. So I don't know if you can get full color. So it's just a void in there that I'm assuming this will go into like so. You can fit it in. Is it supposed to look down that low? So he's got a really low placing head by the looks of it. So there we go. It's sort of just, if we have the figure like that, it's sort of looking down. A little bit of a close up here, looking down again, so you can see how it fits nicely and snug in the little shirt area, and also there's a little bit of a gap, but I think that might be, you got some give, like there's only a certain amount you can push it down. But you can't really tell, but it fits nicely in the shirt area as well. You can see that in there. But I probably would have preferred his head to be up a little bit more. But other than that, really nice figure, and it will go really well with the rest of my collection as well. I don't know how many more Vibration Stars figures they have coming out. I haven't checked for a while, but last time I checked they didn't really have anything new or that I wanted. So I'm always up for a Kakashi figure, of course, and yeah, something that's different. I'm kind of gets a bit sick of Naruto and Sasuke figures, so I'd like other ones. You know, Shikamaru would be good, or you know, even Kurama as well would be good. Something different. But yeah, all around nice figures. Here's a little walk around of the figure. Nice little figure again. There's the back paint job. The side. I really like the stance that they've put him in as well. It's a lot different than what all the other figures have. And all the little details like the ring, nail polish, the toe polish as well. It's all on there. But yeah, really nice figure. I'm glad I got it. I'm really happy with these stands. They're so much better than those U-shaped stands that they were doing before. But yeah, hopefully I'll check out what else they have. Check out Toreba as well and see what they have for in their claw machines. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Nice figure, glad I got it. It's something different. I hope they come out with more characters. That would be really cool. And yeah, I probably won't get the Sasuke one unless I could get it like a one play win. But yeah, anyway, so that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. You can check out my Patreon for my art doll stuff and all my art stuff as well. Heaps of things over there. Instagram, Facebook, Creatures of the Nut, check me out on there too, and my shop, creaturesofthenut.com. If there's any figures you want me to open or review, leave it in the comments, or let me know what your collection is or your favorite Naruto character is. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!